Good day everyone. My topic for today is about firearms. Registration, licensing, and notification rules. This is based on the revised implementing rules and regulation from the Firearms and Explosives Office. I'll be explaining the types of licenses, what firearms can be registered, and also the rules about reporting when firearms are lost or stolen. In the Philippines, there are different license types depending on how many firearms a person is allowed to own. Type Type 1 license up to 2 firearms. Type 2 license up to 5 firearms. Type 3 license up to 10 firearms. Type 4 license up to 15 firearms. Top 5 license more than 15 firearms. So basically, the higher the type, the more firearms you can own legally. Now, what firearms can be registered? Only small firearms can be registered by licensed citizens owned company. Meanwhile, light weapon can only be owned by the military, police, or law enforcement agencies. But if a private person already has a license for Class A light weapons, the license is still valid. This rule makes sure that heavier weapons are controlled and not just given to anyone. If a firearm is lost or stolen, it must be reported right away. If not reported within 30 days, the owner will pay a fine of 10,000. Also, if the owner changed their residence or office address but that doesn't reported it to the FEO within 30 days, the fine is 5,000. These rules are meant to keep records updated and to avoid firearms being misused. So, how do you report it? You can send a notification to the FEO through a letter, memo, email, or fax. It should be signed by the licensed or any authorized representative. You also need to submit two things: an affidavit of loss and a certification the police station, which means there must be police blotter entry. These are required to make the report official. To wrap up everything I shared is based on Section 9 and 10 and 40 of the revised IRR from the Firearms and Explosive Office. That ends my presentation. So thank you for your listening.